Here she comes down. Well, good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to Retired for Life. We are out getting an early start on collecting logs. So we've got our chainsaw man back in there working, and I'm just getting my gear set up. I'm the chain guy. I'm the guy who wraps the logs up with chains to pull them out. So we've already got our first tree down, and Kim is working away there and getting another one down. Art is still up clearing snow for our path. We're a fair ways back into the bush. So he cleared a spot where we could get the pickup truck part way back in here, and left it and carried the equipment in. And Art's clearing a spot there where we can pile the logs that we cut. All right, so Kim's got two right there he's gonna drop. There he goes. Yeehaw. That one that he's got down is going to be a little bit of a challenge. It's between trees and behind its stump. That's what I'm worried about, you going down in there and getting stuck right away. All right, guys, we're going to see if we can get down in here with the tractor. I'll move you a little closer here. Yeah, that's the second one down. He's got the one there right on this side. He's going to drop down as well. Yeah, I remember last year we were close to getting stuck in there.
See that big pine up there with no top on it?
Yeah, I was pointing that one out to Kim. Yeah, there's an old hardwood there. That's the one that's got all the branches going all off of it.
Yeah.
I walked down in there last year and looked at it, and somebody tried to saw it down. Because somebody went out with a chainsaw. They didn't notch it, but they've gone all the way around it with a chainsaw.
What the hell would they do that for?
Doesn't make any sense.
No.
And you know what they did was successfully kill the tree, of course. Okay, here we go. You can see the wheels to the tractor slipping around. Oh, we look pretty good. Okay, guys, we're going to start chaining up. Oh, okay.
I'll hold it up there until you get the chain under.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, it is.
all right, I'll wait till you get up in there and put the chain on that end.
So I'll wrap it around out here.
When you're hooking the chain,
Yes.
I want to show you.
Yeah.
When you come around the log, okay?
Yeah.
You hook your hook.
Yeah.
Always put it to the top of the tree.
Okay.
Because you're drawing that way, right?
Yeah.
You put it the other way, it can draw out.
Yeah.
This way, put it always that way to the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, point the hook
To the back.
the open end that way.
Yeah. Yeah, so it can't come unhooked on you.
Now, point it that way.
I got that the wrong way around right away. Oh, here she goes. Okay.
I might back up another little bit.
All right. Yeah. All right, you're good. There's a lot going on around you. Here she comes down. Well, there's our first log out. And the spot we were worried about seems to be not too bad. Right coming through here. So we got two nice ones right there side by side. So that gives you an idea of what's going on back in here. We've got Art in the tractor, myself doing the rigging with the chains, and learning as I go. This is my second time back in here with Art doing this. Well, we're making progress here, guys. Things have gone real well. If there's a tree back here I want to show you. We'll walk back here and have a look. So you can see this dead pine. Kim thinks it was a pine. And a really strange thing with this tree. Let's see if I can get through the snow to get to it. There's a saw cut all the way around it. And you can see how bloody dangerous this thing is. I feel uncomfortable just standing underneath it. So this could go over any time. We have no idea how much is actually holding this tree up. We don't want to get the tractor in underneath it because, again, you start pushing on this, there's a real good chance those rotten branches up there are going to bust off and come down through the cab of the tractor. That wouldn't be any good. So we've got some nice trees here, and this is giving some of these other trees room to grow. Look at how tall these are. These are 80 feet tall. And they get in here so tight that they can't grow big enough. And then the wind just starts blowing them over. There's a whole bunch back in here that were blown over, roots and everything. So we're going to try to salvage some of those as well. But the problem is once they've been down for any length of time, like if they're down for a year, they're going to be full of wormholes, which makes them useless. All right, I got to get back to our campsite here, get the chains ready, and then I have to follow the tractor out and pull the chain back off, and then we come back in again. What a day. My legs will be feeling this by the end of the day, and my back. But hey, it's an adventure. And it's a lot of fun doing it. Especially when you're working with people like Art and Kim who really know what they're doing. You got to keep your wits about you. Keep an eye as to where things are. And then everything goes good. Well, there we go, guys. That's a good day's work. So we've got all these logs, plus these. So we're just gonna cut this last big long one to length, and then that's gonna be it. We're gonna head home. come back later and stack them up and get them on the trailer. Been a busy day. And what this tractor will pull is just amazing. All right, guys, thanks very much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you out on the trails the next time.